science class. My name is Prof RSK. Today we'll be looking at classifications of animals, and then we'll be touching on some important points. I hope you join me this morning as we discuss this very important topic. Without wasting much time, let's move to what we want to do for today. All right. We want to say that in classifying animals, we come to a place where all animals are classified into different groups. We cannot put two different animals into the same group, and then it is also very important for us to differentiate that even if the animal or the group of animals have similar characteristics and features, there are things that will place them in one group or the other. So we want to look at the basic ones, and then from there we will expand our knowledge in that area of study. All right. So we are saying that all animals are classified into different groups, and they are the first one is insects. The next one we have birds, we have mammals, and then we have reptiles. So we are grouping animals into insects, birds, mammals, and reptiles. You also agree with me that there are a group of animals that live on land and then also in water, and they are called the amphibians. At our level, we are not going to talk about them, but as we progress the academic ladder, we will be looking at these other ones, and then we'll add a few to it. All right, so let's get to it. Now we are starting with insects. Right, we are saying that all insects belong to the kingdom Animalia. Yes, let me repeat the word kingdom Animalia. They belong to a kingdom called Animalia, and it is not only insects. Every other animal is also classified under this kingdom. So we humans are also classified under the kingdom Animalia. But today we are looking at insects. So let's go to the phylum. The phylum is a subgroup, okay, created under the kingdom. So we have the phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda. Kingdom Animalia. Kingdom Animalia. Phylum Arthropoda. Phylum Arthropoda. Alright, so I hope you can pronounce it. Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Arthropoda. Alright, so that is it. Then we come to class. The class is Insecta. Class Insecta. Class Insecta. So we have Kingdom Animalia, Phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, and then this is where we will end with our classification. Okay, so please put it at the back of your head that we have the kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda for insects, and then class Insecta. At our level, this is where we will go. All right, so every insect has three body parts. Every insect has three body parts. Okay, the first part is called the head. The first part is called the head. The second part is called the thorax. The second part is called the thorax. The second part is called the thorax. And then the third part is called the abdomen. The first is the head. The second is the thorax. And the third is the abdomen. All right. So I want you to understand that every insect has three body divisions or three body segments. Every insect is divided into three. The body is divided into three. The head, the thorax, and then the abdomen. Please note the head, the thorax, and then the abdomen. It is also very important for you to know how to spell. So please do very well to learn how to spell the thorax, which is the chest. Thorax is the chest region, okay? Thorax is the chest, and then the abdomen. The abdomen is the tail part of the insect. So the next time you get hold of an insect, carefully observe the head, the thorax, and then the abdomen. Now let's look at some examples of insects. We have so many insects, so many millions of insects in the world. We have the mosquitoes, we have the butterflies, we have the bees, we have the ants, we have the termites. All right. So these are examples of insects, and then a little note on insects. Thank you very much for joining us today. I'll see you in our next class. Mr. Zambo, Menum Hennessy, Charlie Sam Leso, Anna Ricky, Felix, Alex, RSK, Mr. Theodore, Sisi Koko.